'Twas early, early in the spring, when rosebuds they were swelling, young William amid that bed lay, all for the love of Barbary Ellen. He sent a servant to the town where she was dwelling, saying, "My master's sick, and he sends for you. If you be Barbary Ellen." So slowly she got up, and slowly she went to him. But all she said when she got there, "Young man, I fear you're dying." "Oh yes, I'm sick, I'm dreadful sick. I hear the dead winds howling, and no better will I ever be, if I can't have Barbary Ellen." Well, I remember that distant night down in the Longwood Tavern. You danced and sang with the ladies fair. You slighted Barbary Ellen. As she was on her long way home, she saw the funeral coming. She said, "Lay me down his body there, that I may look upon him." The more she looked, the more she saw, till she fell down in sorrow. Young William died for me today, I'll die for him tomorrow. They laid her in the far graveyard, and William's grave beside her, and o'er his grave grew a red, red rose. O'er Barbara's grave up the churchyard wall. Still they could grow no higher.